Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can use proxies to earn unlimited points on nodepay. This is very simple to do. All you need to do is just get premium, proxies and anti-captcha, which I'm going to be showing you how to get each of them step by step in this video. You just need less than $10 for all of these. I think I used about 7 point something dollars thereabout. All right, and my first trial, you can see all the list of referrals that was generated for me and all the bonuses I was getting on each of those referrals. Those referrals actually have their own unique IP address, thereby making it look real and hard for the system to ban you. All right, so it will just look as if they are certain people, all right, registering with your referral link. So this looks so good, and I feel it will be hard for the system to ban our account. Okay, so let's get started. Just open your browser and type proxy-sale.com, and when the website opens, just click top right corner and then select resident proxy, because we need resident proxies, and choose pay as you go, of course 30 days, and then that's it. Then click on buy proxy. For the proxies, you just need about $3 thereabouts. So for the purpose of use, select crypto. Okay, payment method, I used ton. All right, so just use what's okay for you, and you can use that promo code #, for a little discount. If I can get my own promo code, I'll drop it in the comment so you can get it, or in the description of this video. So for me, my payment was $2.7, so I used ton because I had tried USDT, but the minimum to send out was high from exchange, so I used ton. So you select it and proceed. So the address will be shown and the amount you will pay. So just copy the address and head on to whichever platform you are using to pay. Me, I'm using Keeper. I'll enter the address and copy the exact amount I'm to pay, which is about $2.7. So I transferred the money, and I waited for confirmation on the website. Okay, you can see the money and it was confirmed. Payment is paid. Okay, so after that, you just click on go back, and you'd go to the resident orders. Just go back to the website and set up your proxies. Select sticky as you see there, enter the proxy name. It can be anything. All right, then scroll down in the country, select worldwide. Okay, and the port means number of proxies or referrals you want to generate. Okay, and then for the format, just select custom format, and for the output, I'm going to put the format in the description. Just copy it and enter it there. So after setting all of that up, click on create. Okay, once everything is okay like this, just scroll down and click on create, and it's going to create. And once it's created, just scroll up and you're going to see the created proxies. Then click on see all, and all the proxies generated will be shown. Then copy them and save them somewhere very safe. We are going to need it in this guide later on. Okay, so after doing that, the next thing is to buy the captcha, anti-captcha. So go to anticaptcha.com. okay, and then just create an account with your Google account. Okay, and then add some funds. You can add as small as $0.7, but that will just be able to solve a little captcha for you. So I recommend you fund like, let's say $5. I funded $5. You can use crypto, USDT to fund. There are many options to fund there. Just use what's convenient for you. For me, I used USDT. So select your own payment option and proceed to make payment. As you can see, $5 would solve about 5,000 captchas for you. To create an account on nodepay, you are going to solve a captcha, okay, to be able to successfully create an account. That's why we need this. So for the system to generate referrals and put them under your referral link, it needs to register them, and to do a complete registration, you need to solve captcha. So this system solves captcha for us. All right, so you need to buy enough. That's why I'm buying for $5, so that I can have 5,000 captcha solving ability. Okay, so I just copied the address to send the $5, to send the 5 USDT, which is $5, and I went to my MEX exchange. You can use Bybit, you can use Binance, anyone you feel comfortable using. Okay, and on these exchanges, if you want to send out 5 USDT, you need to enter 6 USDT, because 1 USDT will be debited as transaction fee, so that $5 will get to the destination. You see, when I entered 5, they show that 4 will get to the destination, so I had to change it to 6 so that 5 can get to the destination. All right, so after entering the amount you want to fund, just go ahead and confirm, and just do all the necessary approvals so that the funds can get to their account. So after doing all of that, the payment should get to the account and be confirmed. So let me do all of that and see. So yeah, you can see my $5 there. They give me $0.5 bonus. So after that, go to settings and API setup, and you are going to see your API key. Just copy it and save it somewhere safe. We're going to need it later. Okay, after that, open your Termux and then start entering all the codes that I'm going to provide in the description of this video, step by step. When you enter it, allow it to load. Most of them will take a lot of time, especially this first one. It took about roughly 10 minutes for it to completely load, so just be patient, allow it to load well. All the codes will be in the description of this video and also on my Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is also in the description of this video, so you can just join so that you can be copying the code step by step. And another thing you need to take into consideration is your network. Ensure you have a strong network so that this code will not take too long. Okay, initially when I was running it, I had a bad network, so I had to switch network to something very good so that the codes can run faster and so you won't encounter much issues on the way. Okay, so just copy them one after the other and run them till the end. Okay, so when you get to this nano part, this is where you are going to enter the proxies you have saved, copied and saved somewhere, right? So you need to erase, use the arrow keys to come to the end part so that you can erase this default text here, erase everything, then go copy the proxies you saved somewhere and then paste them here. Okay, ensure you count how many proxies you copied. Those are the number of accounts or referrals you want to register on your account. After entering it, tap on Ctrl O on the keyboard and then enter for it to save, and then tap on Ctrl and X to exit the page. Alright, to go to the main menu, copy the Python main.py and enter it, and you're going to have this. Remember, you need to enter your referral code, your own referral code. So log into your nodepay account and then head on to Okay, scroll down to the referral part. Yeah, you're going to see the referral program, then scroll down to copy your referral link. And once you copy it, just paste it somewhere, maybe on your notepad or something. Then you can remove or extract the referral code. You can see from the ref equal to, that's where your referral code is. I just separated it and removed the other parts. So you are going to copy the referral code, your own referral code. And once you copy it, you head back to the Termux and then enter it. Just paste it there where they requested for referral code and then enter. So how many referrals do you need is according to the number of proxies you entered. So once you enter that, it's going to ask you to select which captcha mode you want to use. We are using anti-captcha number 2. So you enter 2 and send it. So after entering 2, it's going to ask you if you want to use proxies, yes or no. The yes, type it YES. Okay, I made a mistake at first. I typed just Y. Don't do that mistake, just type it in full YES. Once you do that, it's going to start running just like this. And then all you need to do is keep your phone somewhere where your backlight will not go down. Okay, and it will be running gradually, and all the referrals you imputed is going to be created on your account, and you get all the bonuses. Okay, so let me allow mine to process. And for my account, I left it for about, let's say, 5 hours. Okay, I went to the backlight settings of my phone and I set it not to sleep. Okay, when you drop your phone for like maybe 10-15 seconds, depending on the settings on your phone light is going to go off. You need to set it in a way that the phone light will not go off. So I had to go set my own never to go off, and then I was running this and I kept my phone, plugged it, and I kept it somewhere for 5 hours. So all the referrals was registering on my nodepay referral code, and at the end of the day I got all the bonuses I'm supposed to get. So that's how you're going to do it. Okay, so after all of that, I tested with 16 referrals. 12 was successful, and that was just a test. Then I had to go do the rest. You can see the 16 successful ones. So I knew that okay, it was working, and I saw the bonus also. I had about 3,000 points. So I now did all the settings of the backlight and positioned my phone well, plugged it to my power bank, and did everything for about 5 hours. And you can see the successful referrals, 358. And let me show you the bonus on my nodepay account. I was so happy I got this result. Yeah, so this shows that it's working, and if I can do it, you can also do it. Just get everything I said in this video. So let me show you the results after 5 hours. You see, I got about 25,000. No, I got more than 25,000 actually, because this 25,000 is for one day, because I started it the day before in the night. Yeah, so I got more than 25,000. So what I'll do is I'll go back now today and go generate more proxies, and then my captcha I bought, the anti-captcha I bought is still enough. I still have enough funds there. I'm going to just keep generating proxies and be using it. Okay, so I should be able to generate about, maybe, I don't know, but I'll just do what will work for me. And you can see all the referrals. You can see them here. The bonuses I was getting was 100 points per referral. Now I'm going to do a video after this. I'm going to do a video on how to run this generated referrals so that you can be getting network bonuses. And I see that to be another level of security that will make their system, see those referrals as legit referrals. So stick around, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that once I drop that video, you are going to be the first to be notified. All right, don't forget to like this video also. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.